killer deal. This one was just posted at the Tool Deals Facebook group. This is a really good deal. Don't forget to hop out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more Tool Deals price glitches. All right, so this one does have 4.6 stars. We got the Dewalt 20 volt max 4-tool combo kit. Item number 1234397. All right, so enough of that. This is a woodworking kit. We did see this for $3.99, I believe, and then it dropped down to $2.99. This is the impact driver. We got the drill oscillating tool. That is the XR oscillating tool. The XR sander. Those are all brushless tools. We do got one of those smaller chargers, and we do have two smaller batteries. This is right here, ends April the 2nd, while supplies last. You guys know what happens with Lowe's is that if they have the inventory in your store, there's no warehouse. There's no warehouse they'll send it to through. Their warehouses are their stores, so it has to be available near you, and I would jump on it if you can. All right, so we're gonna it says 3 in stock by my store. We're gonna add it to the cart, and check this out, guys. $199, guys, for 4 tools for $199. That's a really good deal. Usually these tools are $100 a piece. Just in the sander and the oscillating tool, that's $100 each right there. That is the $199. You're basically getting the drill, the impact driver, the carrying case for free. So that is a really good deal. Go get them, guys. I will leave you guys the affiliate link down below in the description section of the video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.